What's up, high levelers? Funnel Doc here. In today's video, I'm going over the new biggest updates they have. First of all, you waited for it, you got it. It's finally here. Knowledge bases for voice AI. That's right. They set it up. I'm going to show you how to hook it up, how to set it up, and how to do it in today's video, as well as actions have now been separated into during the call and after the call, which is just an amazing way you can see how they're really starting to break it up and what the future is going to hold. So, with no further ado, let's jump inside today's video. So, first things first, you got to go to labs to turn these on. They're not on automatic yet. They will be on soon. Some of them as soon as in 11 days, like their during and post call actions, you'll see, but they are in labs. You'll see also they did upgrade the chat performance widget, which is amazing for what we're doing with webinars and AI. I'm super excited about that. But here are the two big ones right here. We got first voice AI separated during post and during call actions, which is really cool. And what that looks like is this. So you come in now and you're going to see once you flipped on that switch that you're going to have during the call and after the call. And you'll see during the call are going to be like your human transfers, any call transfers, trigger workflows. SMSs will go off during the call, and you've got your book and appointment. These are the main ones that are going off during the call. And then you've got after the call are all of your really update contact fields. Everything else is going to be pretty much during the call, but after the call here, you'll see is update contact field. And now the button over here is new action. You got call transfer, trigger workflow, SMS. I've maxed those out. You can only do one, and I love the little pop up there. And then you've got your custom actions beta as well. So if you went into say like a custom actions beta, I'm sure that that would be going off during the call as well. So just a little information on those, where that's at. The next thing we'll be talking about, we'll come right back to that page, is knowledge bases. And we'll be talking about this too, where conversational AI can now reschedule and schedule appointments. So, but anyway, and we're going to talk about how voice can do it too. But anyway, this is a big one, super big. You're now able to share your knowledge bases with your conversational AI. And for those who don't know, you go right here to knowledge base, and we'll open that page up. And you'll see that you've got your create knowledge base button, as well as for, if you don't have any, you should have probably a blue one in the middle here. Once you hit it, you'll create your knowledge base. You'll name it whatever you want to name it for that specific example. Make sure you do get in the description. That is important. It helps the AI to know what this knowledge base represents. You can crawl links in Google Documents or anything with a URL. You can crawl that. You can also add your FAQs just like before. It's basically just like in conversational AI before, but now you can do it right here in this one spot. And this will allow you, when you save it, you'll see when you come out, you'll have an assortment of different knowledge bases in here that it can select from. Now, each individual one, at least in conversational AI, you can have up to 7 per agent, and I believe it's 20 total. It might be 15 or 20 total knowledge bases. I want to say it's 20. It might be 15, but I don't want to say it's 20. I know for sure it's 7 for the amount that the conversational AI gets. And if we look over here, it doesn't look like it has an amount. The one on conversational AI had it before one. Let's see how many we got. 2. Oh, you can only add one in. Oh, interesting. Where conversational AI, you could actually add multiple knowledge bases, and I'll show you what that means in just a second. Here, we'll open that up just to go over it. Here it looks like you can only add one knowledge base per bot. You do have the existing knowledge base, or the one that I like to call the global knowledge base, because it's the one that if you fill out the knowledge base in the bot itself, you see that it updates throughout every bot. So it's like a universal one. But still, that's interesting. And you'll see here in conversational AI, if we go into it and you go into your bot, if you go into your training, you can see you can add up to 7 knowledge bases. So that makes sense why it doesn't have an invoice, is you can only add up to 1. If you want to create more, you can go right here. It'll pop up a knowledge base for you. Super cool. Next thing I want to talk about doesn't have to do with voice, has to do with conversational AI. They can actually now, boop, 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 they can cancel and reschedule appointments. Now, that's really awesome. A lot of you are saying great, But how does that work for voice? Well, for voice, you can do the same thing. You can ask it to reschedule the appointment and it will, it just doesn't delete it. So what you need to do is just have one of your workflows fired during the conversation that when they want to reschedule it, cancel the other appointment. So it'll go in when they're talking about and go to reschedule, have that one fire, delete the other past workflow. They'll update it with a new one and it'll simulate like it's updating when it's really not. But the cool thing is, if you go in now, you can actually turn it on and it will seamlessly cancel and reschedule your appointments using conversational AI. Not yet for voice, it's on the way, but conversational AI is here. So those are your AI updates for today. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'm the Funnel Doc. I'm out of here. Peace.